that she's very beautiful, and when he saw this girl, he saw this girl. Oh my gosh, you're very beautiful, and I'm so troubled. I like this, and I push here like this. It's not my foot to do that. Now, okay. Arrivado. Hey. Tac, tac, tac. Arrivado. Yes. Tac. Polynesian people feel all the emotion here, not here. It's not this part. It's more here. The the direction we say. You already hear this?